This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. Pull the rubber weather strip from the bulkhead panel at the rear of the engine compartment. Undo the two plastic nuts. Rotate the fasteners 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove the left-hand scuttle panel. Slacken the negative lead clamp nut and with a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery negative terminal. Depress the clip and disconnect the battery sensor wiring plug. Position the clamp to one side and insulate the battery terminal with a rubber hose to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the two nuts, release the clip and remove the air intake duct. Slacken the air outlet duct clamp, unclip the wiring, then undo the retaining bolt and pull the air cleaner assembly upwards from its mountings. Disconnect any wiring plug so the air cleaner is removed. Undo the screws and remove the battery cover. Prise up the centre pin, lever out the plastic rivet and move the weather strip mounting to one side. Undo the screws and remove the battery box front cover. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal, then disconnect the vent pipe. Undo the bolt and remove the battery retaining clamp. Slide the battery forwards, fold up the handles and lift it from place. Take care as it's heavy. Maneuver the battery into position in the tray, with the terminals towards the engine. Refit the clamp at the front of the battery and tighten the bolt securely. Reconnect the vent pipe, then press the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the battery positive terminal. Tighten the clamp nut securely, then apply a little petroleum jelly to the clamp to help prevent corrosion. Refit the battery box cover, then insert and tighten the retaining bolts. Position the weather strip mounting and secure it with the plastic expansion rivet. Refit the cover to the top of the battery and tighten the screws. Press the air cleaner assembly firmly down into its mountings, then reconnect the outlet duct. Clip the wiring harness into position, tighten the air cleaner retaining bolt and the outlet duct clamp. Refit the air intake duct, clip it into the air cleaner housing and securely tighten the nuts. Remove the insulation, reconnect the battery sensor wiring plug, then press the negative lead clamp down over the battery negative terminal. Tighten the retaining nut securely. Refit the scuttle panel, then secure it with the plastic nuts and fasteners, then refit the rubber weather strip to the bulkhead panel. If a new battery has been fitted, the vehicle's body control module or BCM may need to be configured with the new battery's details. This is easily accomplished using a readily available aftermarket configuration tool. Alternatively, entrust this task to a mini dealer or suitably equipped repairer.